Mom's killer attack parrot. Normally he goes crazy. Good go. Come on.
Hey, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
I'm almost scared to put it up there because the way he just nailed you a minute ago.
He'll lay open.
Get the cup. Get the cup.
He attacks it more on the counter. Oh. Ah. Bugger. You got me started.
Look at us. Oh, you're so weird. It's something on the counter.
Get it, Poe.
Get the cup, Poe.
YouTube. Oh! I don't know what's up with him in these cups. Look, it's only that cup. He won't chew on any of the other ones.
Don't trust him. He hates when the cup sits in it. Oh. He's not trustworthy. The cup really upsets me. Such a dork.
I think he has brain damage.
Don't trust him.
He hates it when you put it there.
I know.
Something else.
He gets like a little vengeance.
We have like 100 of these somewhere.
Well, a lot of them are ruined.
Yeah, a lot of them have holes in the side around the
What are you
rim.
doing, Poe? Get the cup.
Ooh.
Go.
Riri.
How you doing?
Riri dance.
Oh, there we go.
Are you doing a Riri dance? Huh? Are you doing a Riri dance? Did you oil your nuts? Did you oil your nuts?
Let it be known that we're not abusing him here at all. Because somebody will probably complain, say, oh, you're abusing him just because of the...
Oh, we're not abusing the Poe with the cup.
He abuses us.
Yeah.
We have scars from him biting us. We'd never abuse him, though.
Here, step up. Don't
See if
bite,
it-
step up.
He'll probably bite
Here,
you.
step up.
Oh, maybe not.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. See, you're not bad.
I'm glad that's not my arm.
You're not bad all the time, are ya? Half the time.
Why do you attack Eagles cups? Are you a Steelers fan? Are you a diehard Steelers fan?
Just scratch.
Oh,
Scratch.
okay. You gonna be nice?
Scratch.
Go boy.
Good boy. So sometimes you're nice. Sometimes you're nice. Look at him looking at the cat. When you were down there, he's looking down like, what are you doing down there? What are you doing down there?
Mo's a nut waster.
I don't think he likes the camera very much.
He'll get used to it.
Yeah, he will.
Mo's a nut waster.
I could go after the nut.
That's on your feet.